Hey everybody, welcome. But I'm gonna make a quick video here to show you guys something regarding to GeForce Experience. So these are the supported games that I have, that I own, and I've been trying to look up maybe some of you people have been trying to look it up too, about how to add non-supported games. So you go into the stream here, you hit the add to add your games, you go to whichever library you have, where you have it set up. I have a 4 terabyte hard drive that I have it set up to, so I go into my Steam library, Steam apps. What's going on with your dad? Common, and then there's my games. And then you just add them. But there are some games that will not add no matter what. So this is exactly how you do this. You can leave it, you can put game stream on or off. It doesn't make a difference in my opinion. But I'm going to show you guys a few games here so you can see what I got set up. 60 seconds, 7 days, my Assassin's Creed library, a game called Anarcute, Origami, Dust and Elysian Trail, Okami HD. I've been trying to get this one to work. There are just some games that won't work. And then there are others, so I've showed you guys what I've got going on, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize my GeForce Experience. I'm going to go into my Steam library now, and then to show you guys that this does work, I'm going to boot up PewDiePie Legend of the Brofist. And here we are recording. And then you can see the GeForce using. I'm going to hit, while recording with this, I don't know what will happen. Recording has started and now it's using GeForce. It's using the GeForce thing. I don't know. Do I have to go into options for controller support? Input. Player 1 keyboard. Sony DualShock. Player 2 will be Sony DualShock, whatever. Now I can hit back. Or I can hit the back button. Or just assuming escape will be back. Whatever. You guys can see that this is working. I don't necessarily have to play the game, but it is working. Now recording has been saved. We're going to quit to desktop. That is a non-supported game. Another one that I added would be Dust and Elysian Trail. And there's the FPS counter once again. GeForce Experience in-game overlay. Microsoft Studios. Press any key to begin. So you guys can see. I guess we'll do a little bit of a play here. We'll use just we're gonna go normal so you guys can see. And then we'll hit the GeForce. We'll do a little bit of recording in the GeForce too. Auto advance. I don't know. Okay, whatever. I guess we'll have to watch. Fuck yeah. Bridget!
It's fidget.
Okay, now here just a little bit. Oh, there's a nice little button. The last thing, 2 separate recording system, 2 separate recorders. Just we'll end that, and it says recording saved. Now we're going to exit the game. And now for one last little record, just to show you guys, let's see, what's another one that was unsupported? Well, I'll show you guys Okami. This one just isn't going to be supported no matter what we do. No matter what I do, this won't be supported. Yeah, we don't get our FPS counter. There are some that just won't be supported. Which is totally cool, but as you can see, there are games where it does work with. And then we'll go ahead, let's check back to see what else we have that isn't supported. Okay, quite a bit. So let's go to one of my personal favorites, Origami. God, I love this game. And there's our FPS counter once again. And now we're going to start the recording. Recording has started. So essentially, this is how you get these games to work. Continue. What? Oh, I guess it kept my game save even though I haven't installed it after a long ass time. So I guess it uploads my saves to the skins. What? Oh my god! Are you serious, bro? Ooh! What is this? What? What the fuck? I didn't know you could do this. What? Amazing! Oh my god. We're gonna end that. Like you know, it has been saved. So now, you guys have unsupported games being recorded with the Nvidia game stream. It works with some games. There are just those that are unsupported, like Okami. And that's that. And once again, all you have to do is go into the settings, go into the shield thing here. On or off doesn't make a difference. And add your game. That's all there is to it. And the version, it doesn't really matter. Here's my version number. So basically the latest version of Nvidia GeForce. You can play non-supported games. It's just an act of Congress to get to, and I have just shown you guys how to do it. I hope you guys appreciate this tutorial. Subscribe or whatever the heck. Whatever channel this gets posted up to. I forgot to mention, for the GeForce thing, you have an area where you can set your recordings to. A lot of you probably already caught on to this, already know about it, but you go into your overlay, into your settings, recordings, and you can set your file path. And then my file path, we got it in here, and we can see all the games that we've tested with. There's PewDiePie down here, Origami, Anarcute. Oh, I tested Anarcute before this. But yeah, you guys can see the stuff. And I will catch you all for another tutorial on something, or who knows what. But yeah. Later.